Hello student, today I am going to explain you appearance of the pictures. Appearance of the pictures is used for change the appearance of any pictures which you want. Like you can change the appearance of picture brightness and make pictures corrections, and also you can apply artistic effect. Okay, so the steps for change the appearance of the picture is first insert the pictures. First steps is just insert the pictures because for changing the appearance of picture we must have one pictures uploaded in your documents area. So now I'm using this picture for use the appearance of the pictures. Okay, so this picture I'm going to use for appearance of the pictures. Now select the picture and go into the format tab and then go into the adjust group. First select the pictures and then go into the format tab and then go into the adjust group. Now in adjust group having so many appearance pictures options like correction option, color option and artistic effect. Okay, now correction option is used for sharpen or soften a pictures. You can also adjust the brightness and contrast of the picture with the help of this correction options. Now click on this correction option. Whenever you click on this correction option, the different types of pictures qualities are showing here, like sharpen and softens menu having 4 or 5 pictures like this type. Whenever you click your mouse on this pictures, the pictures quality will be changed. See the pictures quality here, this. See, if you select this brightness and contrast menu, see the pictures quality is the dark quality and it's a lights quality. Okay, see here you can also see this way. Okay, so these are the options available in the correction options in adjust group for applying in your pictures. Now I'm using this this dark quality of the pictures. Okay, now picture quality will be changed as you are seeing on your screen. Now the second option is the color options. This option is known as the color option, and color option is used for changing the color, tone and saturation. With the help of color option you can change the tone, saturations and color of any pictures. Now click on this color option. So you have seen that color saturation, color tone and recolor. Color saturations having so many options, you can choose one which you want. Okay, now I'm using this one. So picture color will be changed, saturation will be changed. Now again I'm going color option into the color tone options. Here I'm selecting this one. See, the picture will be changed whenever you click your mouse on the selected area. Now I'm using this one. Now color I'm going again color options for recoloring of these pictures. Okay, so this is the options for recoloring of the pictures. I'm using this one, green. Okay, now picture will be changed in the form of green colors. Okay, now go into the artistic options. Your next option in adjust group is artistic options. Whenever you click the artistic option, this will provide you change the pictures quality in the form of pencil, grayscale, sketch or pastel colors. Now click on this artistic options. This will showing like this way. So see, the pictures is showing like a sketch way. Whenever you click on this second one, the pictures are showing like this way, marker type, and this one is dotted type, pencil type. Use any one of the picture quality that you want to use in your picture. I'm using this texturizer for uploading the pictures, changing the picture quality. Now I'm using this one. Okay, so these are the picture appearance available in your MS Word 2016 for changing the picture quality, sharpens or other thing. Similarly, also your book in your book having picture styles group, that is available in the picture styles group, that is used for changing the frame, border and effects, glow and shadow of your pictures. Just click on this pop-up menu. Now see, this will change the frame of the pictures, border of the pictures and effects of the pictures. Like using this one change the frame border like this black colors. Okay, so these are using for changing the frames, border and effect of any pictures. This This picture style will provide variety of options for changing the picture's quality. I am using this one, so the picture style will be changed. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. Thank you for listening me. Must watch this video more than one time for better understanding. Okay.